Oh, on this one I think the heads are fine. This is a performance cams, timing change. We have performance springs, lifters. So I guess the head can be safe. We're just gonna have to rebuild the block with the forged pistons and also do the crankshaft. But yep, this is the old one. And so here we have the spare engine. It's not too bad. It's ready to be back on the Lancer. Just did a nice deep cleaning all the way around. So we're good to go. Oh, and the good thing is that we can put the starter, the transmission, that clutch back on there, and this engine will be good to go back in the car. So before we can do that, this engine bay is it's not the cleanest, it's not as bad, but it can use some nice detailing just to be in the right place once we put the other engine. There it goes. Okay, to the next one, guys. Bye.